bonjour ou bonsoir classe. Do a little warm up. So bonjour, je m'appelle madame. Comment t'appelles-tu? No, I should actually hear your voice. Bonjour, je m'appelle madame. Comment t'appelles-tu? Enchanté. Okay, so this video is to help you practice numbers. So we're going to start with some round robin. That's where we go back and forth. So for example, I say 0, you say 1, I say 2, you say 3, etc. And yeah, it's awkward talking to a screen. Imagine me, I'm sitting in our classroom talking to my computer. So I'm right there with you. So let's give it a try. I'll start with 0. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, here's the thing. At this point, if you couldn't keep up and put the numbers where they were supposed to go, then I have a suggestion for you. Practice. 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 And watch the worm video! Okay, so if you go to our website, hopefully you know exactly where that is. Okay, so this video is really to help you now that we've gotten to those bigger numbers. So, some more round robin, awkward talking to ourselves, right? So now, par 10, by tens. Yeah, and it's still awkward talking to a screen. So, we'll go by tens. So I'll start with 0, you do 10, I'll do 20. So let's go. So 0, 20, 40, 60. Ooh, yeah, I gave you the tough one. Okay, so dealing with those big numbers. So regardez. So think 60 plus 10. So go ahead, talk out loud. What's 60? Can't hear you. What's 60? And 10. And there you go, that's 70. 70. Okay, so 70, 71, 72, 73. Again, this is why those big numbers are so important, meaning up to 20. So important. We've got the worms, we've got the practice. Okay, so your job, take a look. And this one's fine in your head or out loud. What on earth is going on? So take a second, try to figure out, explain it to yourself. Don't just go, yeah, okay, madame, right? Explain it to yourself. Give you about 10 seconds. Okay, so for anyone that's sitting there going, je ne sais pas, right? They're just adding, right? 70. There we go. 75. So 60 plus 15, 75. Right? Don't take it personally. It has nothing to do with us English speakers. That's just the way they do it. Okay, then we get to those bigger numbers. And most of you took it pretty well in class, right? But now we're doing some multiplication. Again, why they did it to us? They didn't do it to us. It's their language. Okay, so now we have to do some more math. 4, 20. I'm going to spend a lot of time in class doing 4, right? 4, 20. Multiplication, 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, so 80. And then we're just going to count. 80. So once you know 80, 80, you're good. 81, 82, 83. Go ahead, say it with me. 84. Remember, the more active you are, the better those little synapses in your brain are going to hold on to it. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, right? So they just keep going. Same deal. 4, 20, 10. And then just add those numbers on, right? So it's a little scary at first, but once you get those math equations down in your head, it's really not so bad. Well, yeah, this gets really long. 99. But then when you get to 100, voila, 100. One way to remember that is like a percent is out of 100. So sont, so répétez. Sont, because it doesn't sound like cent, right? Sont. Then you just add your numbers. Sont un, sont deux, sont trois, sont 55. Oui. So there we go, right? It involves some practice, but I think you got it, right? Or I think you can get it if you put the effort in. So I did ask for a password, and the passcode is ZUT. Z-U-T. ZUT. And I made that the passcode because I almost forgot to put the passcode. Okay, merci beaucoup et à demain.